going to use the putty software. Putty will come like this. Now we need to select the serial. We will select the serial and which COM port it is connected, we will write that COM port number. Example, if you want to verify which COM port, we can go in the device manager. Let me show you. We can go in the device manager here like this. Manager, in the computer, click the manager. Then you will go here device manager and you will check here. I did not connect it, but you will have here like COM port 1 or 2. Whenever you connect the console port to your laptop, here it will appear COM port 1 or COM port 2, whatever COM port you are using. So you need to select that one, check that one and write here which COM port you are using. Example, I am using COM port 1. So I will write here, I will select the COM 1. And this is the default setting, just press OK. It will open. But now I did not connect it with any device. That's why it is giving this error. But in the real scenario, you will have like this window. You are able to access the router. And after that, when you router or switch, whatever you are using, when we press enter, we will have the access to the switch. Brand new switch, whatever we have, we are able to access by using the console cable. In real scenario, we will use this way. And after that, we can configure here, we can assign the IP, whatever configuration we need, we can do. Depending upon that configuration, we can access. Example, if I configure here IP address and I configure as a telnet or SSH, later whenever we want to access this device, example, later if I want to access this device, I can access by using the Ethernet cable also. Imagine I am sitting in the any floor, like maybe the switch is in the ground floor, I am in the first floor, we have the Ethernet cable, and in this switch we have the IP address and telnet is configured. So I can go here in the desktop, I can use my command prompt, I can write telnet and the IP of this switch, I can remotely access. So first time only we are going to use the console cable to do the initial configuration. After that we can take the device remotely by using SSH or telnet and we can do the configuration. So before going to that